Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use workflows in Conveyr. First off, what you're going to need to do is go down to the workflow section and hit this little thing right here. After you've done that, you'll see all these workflows. I see them because I've already set up a couple, but if you want to edit them, you can go over and click them and you can start editing, but that's not what we're going to do. Right now, we want to create a new one, so we're going to come up to this Create Flow button and then hit Use a Template, and then we'll see this little thing right here. All we need to do to start off is select an agent. I'm going to go Joe or Noah. Let's just click Joe. Okay, once we've got our agent selected, we can come over here and hit this little plus button. You can see we have a lot of options here. There's a lot of things you can do with the workflows, but today, just for simplicity, we're going to be connecting it with Slack. What we're going to be doing with Slack is sending a message to a user. So what we're going to do is select a connection. So I already have one created, but I'll show you guys how to do it. All you need to do is hit create connection, hit connect, and then once you've done that, you can come up here to select your Slack channel. In my case, it's Conveyr, and then all you need to do is hit allow. But since I already have one created, I'm not going to do that, and I'm just going to use the old one that I've already created. Click right there. After you've done that, you can select a user. I'm just going to go over to my own username, and after you've done that, you can select a message. I'd recommend coming over here, hitting this little arrow button, and since we don't have a trigger yet, we need to go to the trigger and use a test trigger, or I'm just going to use mock data because this is a test, and you can see it's tested successfully. So we can come back over here and select our message, and the arrow should start working. Yep. Today we're going to be using call analysis. So once I insert that, it should be all good to go, and I can hit test flow. And you'll see that the Conveyr call was analyzed and the message, it sent a message to the user, and that should be in my Slack email. And I can go check that real quick. After checking my Slack, I can confirm that indeed it is working. And basically that's the basics of workflow, and that's really all you need to know for basic workflow activities. If you want to get to more advanced stuff, feel free to. You can run as many tests as you want. That's all.